Welcome back, guys. As a creative, you might want to create a resume for yourself or resume for a client. You can make money creating resume for people if you master the art of creating resumes. It's very easy. All I have to do is to come to my Canva, and you have opportunities to create resume for people. Let's say you want to create a resume for me. It's not actually create for yourself, because if you can create for others, you can actually create for yourself. So there's another way you can make money with Canva creating resumes for people. You can freelance by creating resumes for people. And right now, I want to create a resume for myself, just like you trying to create a resume for me. And I'll be creating a resume, whatever you are, a graphic designer, a video editor, or you want to create for someone, whatever the person is, you can create a resume for people. So right now, I'll come to my Canva template. All you have to search for is resume. Of course, you have to search for a resume. But before we proceed to create a resume, we need to use generative AI to generate the content for that resume. So what I want to do is I want to use my chat GPT. So I'll use my chat GPT to template the resume content, and I'll use it to make the design after creating the content from chat GPT. So right now I want to prompt the resume content. So right now I would say I want to create a resume for beloved Adejigbe. Okay, that's the first thing I would say. Now, I would say something about beloved Adejigbe's career. I would say beloved is a tech instructor on Udemy. He has experience in various tech fields, as he has worked as a consultant in recent times, and as well as a graphic designer, web designer, creative director, content creator, tech, and an IT specialist. Yes, so now I would say write a tailored resume following this timeline. So I'll have this and I'll give my timeline. I would say as a the first one is a tech consultant, yes, as an IT consultant in, so I'll write the name of the company I worked as an IT consultant. I'll say IT consultant in AAIPSDS, Abubakar Abdusalami Abubakar Institute Studies. Okay. And two, okay, let's say I'll put the timeline 2023 to present. Yes, let's do that. Let's say IT specialist. No, this should be IT specialist. My current role is nice. So IT specialist in AIPSS, that will be the first. And the second, I'll put another timeline to my job cap. I would say as a graphic designer, web designer, let's say content creator. Yeah, the second should be content creator in Edsoft Solution Lab. Okay, and that will be 2022 to 2023, and creative director in Buckfish Technologies, which is 2020 to 2022. Yeah, so I would prompt this to create our resume content. So it's as simple as that. Just create a simple prompt that your generative AI would understand, and you can prompt it. And here is a tailored resume for beloved Adejigbe. And you could see it says here, beloved Adejigbe, tech instructor, consultant, IT specialist, Lagos, Nigeria. So you tailor this to your own need, whatever you like, your own address, your own phone number, your own LinkedIn page, portfolio, all those. We have a portfolio already that we created in form of a website. This is where you add the link to your portfolio, and the professional summary is not looking bad. Dynamic and result driven tech instructor and consultant with over 5 years of experience across multiple tech fields, including graphic design, web design, IT support, content creation, and creative direction. Adept at leading creative projects, developing innovative tech solutions, and empowering students through online education. Experienced in creating digital content that drives engagement as you could see, it's having the necessary things. And what I want to do, I want to add Udemy. I've forgotten. I should have added Udemy. Udemy too is part of my clientele. I'll just write Udemy, or part of the organizations I'm working in. I'll just write Udemy tech instructor. Yes, tech instructor in Udemy. In Udemy, I'll write 2023 to present as well. So yes, I'm going to have this sense. That is it. And it will give me a tailored resume for what I'm doing as a tech instructor on Udemy, different organizations that I've worked for, different organizations, things I've done for different organizations, which will be very okay. And this is looking so good as a resume. So right now I've created the contents for my resume. I hope to see you in the next lesson where we get to start designing this resume. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.